ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Ka Tata Safari ka SUV ka bapaw tam jong ka India minta kalami ha ka jinglong batmai ringkat bat khatsan teligi features baningkong e ha ka segment. La Plie ye ki booking but ya ki jing tip bakhambnia one shaka Frank Motors Laitkor Rngi lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan r not hinyo khanda hinyo lai.
This is our retail marketing van. This will soon come to your city as well. Around the length and width of it. This is our excavator stockyard. See, these are, you can see the chains and
Rngi Gupta, Ubalong Chief Executive Officer but Managing Director Jangka Robot Components Private Limited, Hakasantrik Laitkor Arja Apsau. Ula Plie Paidbah ya ke Dukan di spare parts. Jongki kali JCB, kabel air kerteng Orange Automobile. Kabadan hasurok Shillong Jawai Hakashnong Laitkor Rngi. Hakini kesengi lasa kilang do ufada one lambok lingdo. Ubak syampang lingdo, bat ufada pensyai lingdo. Ubla ai ya ka jingker ku kerdo ha ka jing Plie kene ke Dukan bertemai haringkat ke jing sakilang jangki weipat ki bela syakhot ngobha.
I, Habobyang Sun, son of Mr. Shampang Lindo, welcome you all to this grand inauguration of our distributorship for robot earth mover parts. Today marks a significant leap into the future of construction machinery, combining cutting-edge technology with a commitment to excellence. As we embark on this exciting journey as the authorized distributor, we are honored by your presence, which symbolizes not just a collaboration, but a shared vision for the future of the construction industry. Robot or mover parts represents the pinnacle of technological advancement, and our role as distributor is to ensure that this excellence seamlessly reach our valued customers. The precision, reliability, and efficiency embedded in robot earth movers parts align perfectly with our commitment to delivering unparalleled quality. In this era of automation and innovation, our distributorship signifies more than just a business endeavor. It signifies a partnership that people us step into a future where efficiency and reliability are paramount. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Rngi Gupta, who have been instrumental in bringing this collaboration to fruition. And we look forward to serving our customer with the highest standards of excellence. Together, let us usher in a new era of construction machinery where every part powered by technology contribution to a seamless and progressive industry. Once again, welcome you all.
Together with the chief guest to inaugurate the new robot parts distributors. So as we begin this ceremony, let us stand up for the prayer. Aga katang pa berupun bermensi berpui putrain dan lengkap berhi kekipune na ka siti polos syaginong polisi kat sebab kile tutray na do kamensi dule ya kata nakabenta utray nakabenta kipriyo nama kitip ha bapin sayo diang kacingyo pateng nau kum kabainong Tu Syakri Yau Chris Utrai Kaktiin Jong Blay Ublay Ulapan kentang ya kacing tray Da kabau la sanjur ya kapatay nado menengkong Lang ba kacing tray Nrius ngi ulat hao Ya kapatay badia kacing thao baro Kibadon na kapatay Ublay kwa ingi bangin nang yay teng Kacing tray kacing ta cungi Ang niyas la patay Bangin tray Nado kadonod Nado kamensim Nagabenta kacing bha ke imlang salang kerpang nagabenta kaburom jong play ngin Syakri yau Chris da kacing tray cikta cungi ayo yau play ha kene kapor ba ka orange atau mabai ha kacing penyal jong ibadeng sempang lendok kalayo ban Plie ya new robot parts distributorship kabanai kacing Syakri ya ke imlang salang kadai kacing kerku kacing kacing Blay ya kane ke orange automobile Blay takendra to don lengkap bengi ha kane kecamit ha kane kano kaisni bangin na ban pendan burom yemi lengba kene ke program suai bor yang i wei bahag jingim kecungiru nila ban tray nila ban long kibas smart kibas ting ban tray na banta ke imlang salang tubuh kedok kerpang ya kene ke orange automobile kerpang ya kene ke new robot parts distributorship kaba supply nanta kasni bukan ya syafang ha ikam kijam ai bor ai jing start ya kibatrai bakta kiban long staff na kabanta kani kakam mami ya brai takada men siap lagi don nur cumi jong me ya kicing start belai bakinlah ban Syakri bakinlah ban tray ban ta ban ai ke burom barbuar syami lan ba kicing Syakri ya di parabiu ya ke imlang salang barokawai
Okay, thank you.
Our chief guest will do the honors.
Hajing sedang, ban sedang ni akan direkam mengalami bahan vektor nilai keren agar sien bagi Songkai ni keren bah didongkam ban Plie yang kerja distributorship dan wholesale dan retailer tentang GSP spare parts nama bah kumpulan tentang ke future kedam ke infrastructure bagi construction kebun ki tisna kebun ki kam infrastructure ki long ki dan ha baru kawai keri pat hakni pok jala jamiru te data ba nilai ya perkhatlang nilai ya sim ya karai ba ngin ya let schedule hi ba nilai let schedule hi ba ya tentu Rngi company robot components na ban ya keren bagi nak ban sedang mau slot dalam ban slam nilai ban jumlah di factory kini kita berfait ban nilai makai company ke babiantang na benta ban warna yang kini spare parts sebagai nama tak kini construction equipments. Jadi kini company yang datang bakas na benta jomni sendiri harga ekspor tu syakiway pakai benta jomka jomka perhai. Ki ekspor tu yang kini tiap kini spare parts jomki excavator atau jomki BGCB part benta terter. tinggal apa kedai company babiam mah tinggal ship yang karai bagian ya sedang ya kedai kam hamni apa selom bagian supply ya ki retailer haki bentar per jong kedai kejelah apa garu hills nang hasti spot nompo apa umsning nang ta pedes spot juai spot nonstoin bat kentar ter te apa umsning idon di babu pol kende idon sini mene lawan pan serang ni mai la bang pelakluai pan invest lang hakani kam but in supply ya ka retail outlet hanti apa umsning dan nang idon ni ba Victor ru bangin saya perkat nak bentar ka Jaintia Hills Residence bangin di ki outlet ki repair nak bentar pensuk penjam ki customers ki badan ki machine ki earth movers machine te kani ke bentar ka bangi ya perkat bangi shim kum kasir jang nak bentar pensuk ya ki customer ki babun ki badan ki machine nomor pun sin hab nek Guwahati hab penwarah na Kolkata ba shim ko te ni ngin yo outlet ki tiap A to Z ki badan kam nak bentar ki machine A to Z ngin yo outlet nang ni pangilapan perpoi seki workshop ro but ski ro ingin sasdang ya ka workshop kebabian lut ki facilities modern workshop but biang lut ki tiar kitar mendai kum gitu ki workshop ki ba su long malu malam tu rei ki modern workshop ki babian lut ki facilities in sasdang nak bentaki ki earth equipments machine kamtam ya ki JCB machine in sasdang hakani ki jeka ti kini ga bentak ba mengi ya perkat tak nilala penlek mentah dengan sungguh yang lebih mentah sini nilala ban penurlong ban nilala ban yo ekni kala ban Plie ban sedang ekni operation juni nak kini ka jaka but spesifikasi komarlam yang semang penhe penya sekiwe bak mentah dah ke bedai ya ke jingkai ke bak company sapang kini company termidor UMD jam kini ke company ba lokom jirgas mentah sini usaha presentation ban usaha ya ke jingkai ke company mahal habis ka neka company te insession ni ya kini benta dan kalian kacunga te tangkat ni sesien ai ku dei di baro kelaya pelai ko ring jing bulkam bagi jing kriat dei kelaya poi banya benta sim bentalang benta kini kesini ke bakra ni apa ngin stand ngin otripan ya kini ka distributorship batmai ni kubleshi bone.
Thank you all for welcoming me here in your beautiful city, Shillong. Nowadays, India is in boom for infrastructure, and infrastructure is being done by the construction machines. And all these construction machines are international brands like JCB, Caterpillar, Hyundai, Hitachi, Volvo, Samsung, Daewoo. So this technology belongs to Western countries mostly. So, machines are here, those companies are here making, all these are movers and excavators and backloaders. But in our country, there is not many companies who make good quality parts. Most of the parts are low quality parts, and maximum people, they just make boxes and pack low quality parts. Made in different part of the country and sometimes in China. So they assemble these parts and present to the dealers and distributors to sell in different part of the country. So by using these low quality parts, the maintenance of the machine is not good. The life cycle of this machine comes down to just 2-3 years. Whereas in Western countries, as we export to more than 30 countries, so I know I have visited the whole world, selling these parts. So I know the life of these machines is more than 15-20 years because they use good parts. Considering this, we started this company some 30 years ago. So Robot is one company which makes all the parts under one roof. We have got 3 plants. One in Himachal Pradesh in near Chandigarh. The name of the city is Badi. And 2 plants. One plant in Faridabad and one plant in it is around 30 kilometers from Faridabad. It's near the manufacturing facilities of JCB. And very recently, we have also started manufacturing automatic tooth plants. We have installed an automatic tooth plant in India, which is for the first time. The Orange Automobiles have taken this step to distribute the high quality robot parts in Shillong and Meghalaya. I thank you, Mr. Lingdo, for taking this step and taking our mission forward. I will leave no stone unturned to make it a very big success. So, I mean, since we are already in this field for last 30 years, we have our dealers and distributors across the world. We have around 150 dealers in India. We have robot footprint is all over India. This is for the first time when there is a full-fledged dealership is being started in Northeast. So I wish Mr. Lingdo and Mr. Victor all the best. The automatic tooth making plant. Here you can see all the dies of excavator tooths. The automatic pouring of chemicals. And this is the automatic mold making machine. And now, the molds are being heated. So this is closing of a mold for the tooths. The molten steel material Victor, congratulations. Yeah, it's very important.
Menjaga keku berdok ya ibadeng Shempang kunjuri ni barok badan ini MD CEO jogani company badan lengkap ini hari ni kesini ai jingkot jingkia keku berdok ya ikam jam barok ai ba ke barok kinau nak tiba sebelum jenis sudah tukar ini barok menjaga kebor jeng jingsniu kebor jeng jingdum kebor jeng sul Ukraine ai bag baro kinlong biye be irti hak dekat bijing ko bro jemi saisin de chakna irti yang ini ka mission bertemai jong badeng simhang dekat kilom tre jemi baro ba how islam sedang ini kam ba kinlong ke basiso kam tam bag baro kinlong biye be irti lipan kini baro atau krislam jinam udrain dan ringkat bati Ulay badan bor boro ingkuku kerdo ipi ukpa barukun ban mensim bukun amen.